my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing the I Heart the 90s project pan, and the creator of this project pan is Laura. I will have all of the information linked in the description box. So the first one is no scrubs, and it is a product you want to get out of your collection. So for that one I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer, Shady Business bronzer. It's this one right here. This one I have used it 24 times in the month of March, and I have not even hit pan or anything. Like, I feel like this is going to take years to finish. Like, look at that. It's really hard to like pan these things. I will put a picture on the side so you guys could see the difference, if there's any difference, but I really doubt it because I don't know, I feel like there's not. Okay, let's see the next product. It is Jurassic Park, and it is the oldest product in your collection. So for that one I have the NYC Sugar Plum lipstick. It's this one right here. I've made so much progress in this lipstick, you guys. Like, look at that. You can't even see it anymore, like popping out. And I'm really happy. I can't wait to finish it. That's everything that's left. So I feel like I could finish this like in 2 months or so, because I have also been using this as a lip balm. I feel like this is moisturizing as well, so that's why I use it as a lip balm. So it is a little bit under 3 inches. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's like barely under 3 inches. So yeah. Anyways, I feel like I've made a lot of progress, and it's so exciting to see like the lipstick going down. I'm really happy about that. And I don't know if I said, but I did use it 29 times in the month of March. The next product, the Simpsons ColourPop Sunshine Palette. Now this one is the palette that I took to Sacramento when I went to Sacramento, like, was it a week ago or 2 weeks ago? Can't remember. But anyways, I took this palette and I ended up using this palette 7 times in the month of March. So I feel like I did pretty well, and this is what it looks like now. And my goal is to use it 20 times. And so far I've only used it 11 times, so I have to use it 9 more times. And I've pretty much used all of the shadows in here, I think, except for this one right here. I don't know if you guys could see, there's like some movement in the shadows. So yeah, that's that. Okay, now the next product, it is another palette, and this one is a Goosebumps. It is a spooky themed item. So this is what the palette looks like, and in the month of March I only used it 5 times. So this is what it looks like, and I feel like you could see so much more movement on the palette now that I've used it 10 times so far. There's like nice little dips right there. I mean, not like super deep dips. And I really like all of the shimmers. They're super beautiful. Well, this shimmer is actually a little bit hard to work with, but it's still manageable. This one's a little hard to work with as well, and this one. But other than that, I really like this eyeshadow palette, and I'm really happy that I have it in my collection. And I have to use it 10 more times because my goal is to use it 20 times in total. Okay, now the next product, it is What's Up? And I'm using the Jeffree Star Cucumber Lip Scrub for that prompt. And it is a morning routine product, and I have only used it 11 times in the month of March. This is what it looks like inside. It's almost gone, so maybe if I use it every single day in the month of April, I could actually finish it. But anyways, I have been enjoying this lip scrub. It moisturizes my lips as well. Okay, now the next prompt, it is Butterfly Clips, and that is cute packaging. So for that one I have the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Palette, and this one is the Chocolate Orange palette. And I also took this one to Sacramento, so I also got some usage out of it. I did use it 8 times in the month of April, and so this is what it looks like. And now you could actually see some movement on the shadows, so that's really nice. And I really like this eyeshadow palette. The colors are super pigmented. This shadow is super beautiful, and this shadow, they're just like really nice together. I'm really happy that I have this palette as well. So far I have only used it 12 times, and my goal is to use it 20 times, so I have to use it 8 more times. Okay, now the next product, it is Titanic, and I believe that's like an expensive product or something like that. High-end or drugstore product, and well, I got a high-end product. And this is the Giorgio Armani lipstick and the shade Lip Power, shade 400. It's this beautiful lipstick right here. My goal is to use it 10 times, and so far I have only used it 4 times. and this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty red lipstick, and when I started using it, it was like all the way to the top. It was like even onto the black plastic, and now, well, it's a little bit down, so that's really cool to see. And so I have to use this 6 more times, so hopefully I could use it 6 times in the month of April. Okay, now the last prompt, it is pogs, a product used a couple of times when first got it but not no more, or something like that. And so for that one, I brought the Revolution Forever Flawless We Were on a Break palette, this one right here, and my goal was to use it 5 times, and I've only used it 3 times in the month of March. And so this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I think I've used every single shadow in this palette already, except for this yellow shimmer and this blue shimmer right here. I feel like you can't really see any movement on this palette just yet, so hopefully by next month you can. So I will have to use this a little bit more. But anyways, I really like this eyeshadow palette. This yellow is super pigmented. I'm actually surprised how well it works. Anyways, that's all of the products that I have for this project pan, the I Heart the 90s project pan. And I'm actually really happy how much progress I've made, especially on this lipstick. I can't wait to finish it. Anyways, make sure to check out my description box so you guys could see all of the ladies that are also doing this project pan. So anyways, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.